A master drummer, visionary producer, and a trailblazing artist, Lowell Sly Dunbar's life and rhythms have left an indelible mark on music worldwide. This icon, whose influence crosses genres and generations, passed away on January 26, 2026. Reporter Marlon Samuels offers insight into his enduring legacy and eternal language of music.
Born in Kingston, Jamaica on May 10, 1952, Lowell Dunbar's rhythmic journey began at age 15.
First time I on a drum kit, right? The guys, a friend of mine came up to me and said, "You should go and try fishing."
Yeah, is that guy around now?
Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
He lives in New York, yeah. The first record I played, drum.
Inspired by legendary Jamaican drummers like Carlton Barrett, he quickly crafted a unique style, dynamic, precise, and soulful. His early years, honing his craft with local bands, set the stage for a revolutionary career. By the 1970s, Sly's talent caught Jamaica's music scene's attention. It was then that he met bassist Robbie Shakespeare. Their partnership, Sly and Robbie, transformed reggae's sound, introducing the rocker's groove, a powerful, infectious rhythm. Their innovative fusion brought reggae to new heights, blending it with pop, rock, and dub. Over decades, Sly played on and produced over 200 tracks, working with legends like Bob Marley, Grace Jones, and more. His drumming was marked by hypnotic space, sharp rim shots, and a groove that anchored and elevated every song. Sly Dunbar's influence extended across the globe. He received numerous awards, including Grammys and national honors, recognizing his vital role in shaping modern music. His innovative rhythms transformed reggae, leaving a lasting mark on music worldwide. Today we honor Lowell Sly Dunbar, a man whose passion and creativity reshaped music forever. His rhythms will continue to inspire generations, a testament to timeless artistry. For the news on PBCJ, I'm Marlon Samuels.